had a lot of fun today making some fun birds. So I want to walk you through how I made them. They're just some very simple shapes. See what shapes you can notice in these birds here. I see some half circles. I see triangles. I see circles. There's a lot of very simple shapes here that can help you make some really cool birds. Let me show you how I do mine. Okay, I'm going to start by making a straight line. And then I'm going to do a smile or a U so I can make half of a circle. I'm going to pick which side I want my head to be on, and I'm going to make another half circle, like a rainbow almost. And my beak here is just going to be a triangle coming out. Maybe I want to do 2 of them to show an open beak. Add an eyeball, circles. And you can choose, there's so many ways you could show your bird's wings. Maybe you want it to be a triangle. Maybe it's going to be more like a heart. You can give your bird some tail feathers that kind of looks like the wings there. And for feet, super simple. I'm just going to do 2 lines coming down. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can decorate yours however you wish. I'll show you a few more birds. For this one, I'm going to draw my half circle just like my other head. I can do my beak while I'm here. I'm going to do my half circle, my smile going up, but I'm not going to make a straight line going across like in my last one. I'm going to add a point to my tail, and then I'm going to make a curvy connection to my head, not like the straight one up here. And I didn't add a line under here too. Maybe you want to add a necklace or a bird collar. I don't know. I'll give my bird some eyes, a swirl, maybe a belly. And then I like to do a simple half circle for the wings. And I'm going to give it the same legs as I did for my last one. 2 simple lines with 3 lines coming off of it. I'll do one more bird. Let's start with that same beginning that we know and love. And you can make your birds so different than mine. If you want your body shape to be something like this, go for it. If you want it to be super wide, go for it. You can come up with some really cool creations. Okay, anyway. So up here, I'm going to draw a circle for my head. I'm not closing it all the way there. And I'm going to have my wings flap up. So I'm not going to start with my line going across. I'm going to draw my wings going up, just one on this side. Now I'm going to draw my line across. And then on the other side, I'm going to do a similar wing, a little bit smaller. And that shows that this wing is the one close to us, and that wing is on the other side of the bird. We wouldn't be able to see the whole thing. Draw the beak however you want. Maybe it has more of an arc to it. And since this one looks like it's flying, my legs are going to be not straight on the ground. I'm going to have my lines be bent. Okay. So these are very plain and simple. You can decorate them however you want. Here I added a lot of patterns. I added hearts, I added polka dots. You can really make it your own.